What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox, an unmarked box. I'm just kidding. The label's on the flip side. We got the Blue Alien on deck. The Amcrest Skyview HD video drone. Looks really nice. So let's get in, check it out. Nice, looks like the Hubsan a little. We're gonna sit that to the side. The transmitter also looks like a Hubsan's transmitter. Definitely inspired by Hubsan. Okay, so this transmitter is very reminiscent of the Hubsan's transmitter, but this one doesn't have the screen there. It does have a spot for your cell phone. So this is cell phone operated, smartphone operated. Looks like we have two shoulder buttons here, and we have self-centering throttle. So this does have altitude hold, and the joysticks do press in. So the sticks press in for an extra button there. A possibility of one. I don't know if it actually does anything yet. USB charging and data cable. And we have some spare props in here and a screwdriver. So let's check out the quad. Right now it's wired in from the bottom. So let's come back with this out. So no need for the wire cutters. You can just untwist it. And this thing looks really nice. Wow, this is very much the same design as Hubsan's design. I wonder if Hubsan actually made this for them. I don't know, maybe it's a rebrand, but this thing looks really nice. Has a proprietary battery. It looks to be the same as the Hubsan's proprietary battery. I wonder if my Hubsan's battery will work on this. Has a camera right here. And it has some rather odd shaped props on it. So this quad looks very interesting. Very interested to see how this thing flies. And it has the same button on the side that the Hubsan has. Okay, so that's the bind sequence there. Have red lights in the front and blue lights in the rear. The lighting system is different from Hubsan, so maybe this isn't designed by Hubsan. But we do have the USB charging and data transfer socket right there. These prop guards do come off. You can just slide them off like that. Can't forget the instructions manual. This was in the box. Flight manual. Wow, really nice illustration. It's in black and white, but it's really nice pictures. Check it out. Really nice instructions manual. Pretty decent English as well. Oh, we have some color in there. Wow, so really nice instructions manual. It's the Amcrest Skyview. Thanks for watching.